Okay, firstly, remove this engine cover first by taking this two out. Out. So lift this side and this side. So that's we'll take this out. This is the tensioner. So that's the tensioner. So we can release that one, remove that one. Okay. To get more space, we need to remove this one, that hose, and maybe this whole thing to get more space. For this one, I think we can just press. So that's how we can remove this hose, and similarly to this one. Press. So it's again. I think however I remove this half thing by release the two screw. There's a one there and there's the one here. You can see, yeah, you can see just roughly over there, down there. It's quite dark. See that, the one. Okay, so that's a two 13mm. So now we have removed with this the two bolts for the there, and the bolts something like this. So we have removed them 13. Okay, for this air pump, there's the connection at the bottom. I have just pressed the side, I have removed it from the plug over there. So now we can take this out. That's just rest here. So now here we have more space. Our tensioner is just behind that hose. So that is our tensioner. So we'll try to remove that one, and that's need a 27mm socket. We still don't have enough space to put the socket in there, so we have to remove this power steering reservoir, and again two, I think it's 10mm nut we're going to remove. So this one and that one. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, we removed the two nuts, and hopefully here we can wait it out. Okay, so that will give more space. Okay, we will try to remove the tensioner. It's quite difficult to get because it's all the hoses everywhere, and very difficult to get. And eventually I have this. This is a 27mm socket. There is a flexible connection, and there is a converter, and I put this on, and I successfully get that thing loose. So you can see there oil coming out, so we have to put something to catch the oil. It's not already loosened. So we will take it out. gradually. Okay. We have taken it out. There are some engine rattle when cold. This is a new design. I put it a few years back, but I have another one. The other one I tested. Whatever the other one is good, so I will just replace with the other one. Okay, this is the one I have tested, and it's when it's filled with oil, it's very hard to compress. My manual says it should be evacuated. The old oil should be out before we install. Now I have got all the oils out. So when you install, you just because there's a spring here, you have to push and turn. Use your hand before you use a spanner or socket. So don't cross the thread. You just put it in, put some pressure, and turn with the hand before turn with the socket. Anyway, it's needed to take up to 65 Newton meter or 48 pounds. So this is my setup. So I have got a socket on the tensioner. There's a flexible connector, and I have my torque wrench set to 48 pounds. So I will just try to torque it. Just to have a final look. Now I have a cleaned area. See that the tensioner, timing chain tensioner, and I cleaned everything up. Just a note, I also unplugged this connector so that the exhaust camshaft sensor connector, so this cable can be make the cable a little bit down, so more convenient. So the final thing to do is just plug this camshaft sensor back and install this back and the air pump back to space. So that's everything I will do. Thank you for watching.